In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an engine air filter on your Ram 2500. This is going to be located in the engine bay. Let's get started. Using a Phillips head bit, we're going to remove all of the screws for the air box. Just pull them up, you don't have to fully remove them. That one did pop out. Lift up the airbox cover. Remove the old air filter. Install the new air filter into place. Line the air box back up. You'll kind of hear it seat. You heard that hollow kind of noise. Go around and snug down all of the screws. Snug down all of the screws, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.